if you were talking to somebody who was thinking about becoming an intern, what might you say to them?
I'd recommend it to them.
Yeah, recommend it as a good thing to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you think it's helped you?
Yeah, it's helped confidence.
Yeah, confidence and stuff like that.
Would you describe what your sort of day-to-day job is?
It can be busy.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. And then some days it's quiet.
yeah, yeah.
So what do you actually do?
Well, I have to deliver the orders via the housekeeper's order, and then I have to make sure it's the right delivery
Yeah, yeah,
for the department.
yeah. Are there any wards where it's harder to do that than others?
Sometimes, but I've learned them.
Yeah. What's helped you? What do you think you've learned to help work through some of that?
Going with other people and see how they do it.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So it's not just a question of you on your own. It's quite important that the support that you get to kind of help you learn the job, that's quite important as well.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. So we need to think about that, don't we? To make sure that we've got people who will support and help
Mm-hmm.
and work that through with you.
So, what do you like about your job?
So, Jacob, the one thing I like about my job is people,
Mm-hmm.
working with people. So whether they're patients or friends and relatives of patients, or whether they're the colleagues, a bit like you're doing now,
Mm-hmm.
who play a part in looking after our patients. It's just great being around people. And one of the things I try and do is to make sure that the colleagues that we work with, both of us work with, that they've got an opportunity to be the best of what they want to be.
Mm-hmm.
Regardless of what their background is, what their circumstances are. The great thing about this job is being able to, I would say, serve people to be the best of what they want to be. So it's great. Love it.
Why do you think supported internships are important? I mean important.
The easy answer will be just to say, just look at this and how you feel.
Mm-hmm.
One of the things for me, about how we provide care to our communities that we serve, Jacob, is our communities are very, very diverse in backgrounds, in all kinds of things. And I'm a real passionate believer that regardless of who you are and what your circumstances, everybody should have opportunity.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And the internship for me really is a satellite example, a real shining example of the sorts of things that an organisation like ours should be doing to work with people and our communities. And I think you said, Jacob, that you live reasonably close by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't live too far.
Yeah. So there's also that bit as well, Jacob, about it's not just about healthcare, or it's about the role we play. Because this hospital that we're in now, for example, it's not my hospital.
Mm-hmm.
It belongs to the community, and therefore what we do together shouldn't be just about healthcare. It should also be about helping people, whether it's through work, whether it's through housing or whatever it is. That should be a part of our role. So that's why this really is important.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'd like to say thank you to David and Val. Yeah, Receipt Distribution, I want to thank them as well.
They are superb.
Yeah.
They're fantastic with our programme. Since the start, the
Absolutely,
10
yeah.
years ago, the Receipt and Distribution team, year after year, support the interns.